What came out last week about the change in inventory, where no, it's no longer on a case of a specific SKUs. It's a total inventory on your whole account. So now when you're launching a new product, if you have the space, you're not limited to 200. You can actually ship in more than 200, but you have a whole account level limit, which is a whole different animal now. And it's a whole different way of planning. So if you're brand new, it's maybe a good thing, because now in most cases people are probably starting off with 500 or 1,000 as their account limit as a baseline, and so you could actually ship in more as a brand new seller. But if you've been selling for a while and you're already kind of maximizing that inventory and you're about to launch a new product, it might require a juggling act, or it might actually be an issue. So I think that's the hot thing right now. And I know from our point of view, about 3 or 4 weeks ago, Amazon, actually, we have dangerous goods on one of my accounts is authorized for hazmat. So the way Amazon stores their hazmat, their dangerous goods, is there's special warehouses. So they don't put them in every warehouse. There's certain ones that they store them in. And when we first started last year on that, we were, I forget what we had, 300 or 500 cubic, can't remember, I think it's cubic feet of space. Can't remember if it's cubic meters or cubic feet, but 500 of allotted space, not units, but actual, depends on how big they are. And then we got that raised to over 3,000 so that we can ship in more stuff. And about 3 weeks ago, we got a notice. This is before the 1,000 thing that Amazon just changed. We got notice that, hey, we're reducing effective immediately your hazardous goods storage from 3,000 to 272. And currently you have close to 2,000. You're utilizing close to 2,000 in our warehouse. You have until end of May to get that out, or we're charging you what would be the equivalent of about $60,000 in storage fees, or we will get rid of it ourselves. So we've had to donate a bunch of stuff out to send to charities. Had to pull some out, but it's like one of my SKUs right now is the best-selling SKUs is about to run out, but I can't send any in, zero. The inventory planner tells me, hey, we recommend you're allowed to send in whatever the number is, 800 or something. And I go and try to set up a shipping plan. It's like, nope, sorry, you're over. You can't ship in the 800. So it's going to cause a problem. And I'm trying to get that raised again, and it's falling on deaf ears. So that's almost a death knell to the company. Because to switch it to FBM, which we can do and we're set up for, but the cost difference is just ridiculous.
Right.
So it's this, what Amazon is doing on that side, and I think part of the reasons they're doing on the dangerous goods side, which nobody's talking about, is because probably during the pandemic, there's probably every Tom, Dick, and Harry made hand sanitizer and sprays and whatever and sent them into Amazon, and they're probably just sitting there. Because that market is a race to the bottom right now. And probably Amazon's like, hey, we got all this flammable stuff just sitting around gathering dust. Get it the hell out of here. And this is a liability risk or whatever. So there may be some aspect to that from that side. But all these inventory changes it changes a lot of things for a lot of people.